Meaning of daughter-in-law.
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 Daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law refers to the wife of one's son. In traditional cultures, daughters-in-law are expected to be respectful and obedient to their husband's parents. They are often tasked with domestic responsibilities such as cooking and cleaning. The relationship between a mother-in-law and daughter-in-law can be complex and affected by factors such as culture, personality, and family dynamics. However, in modern times, the relationship may be viewed more as a partnership and mutual respect is emphasized.